from legacy to leading edge. Upgrade your media workflows with MoSMB. Bridging the gap between trusted legacy media systems and modern file sharing demands has become a top priority for many organizations. The solution lies in future-proofing with advanced technology. Legacy media systems, once industry leaders, now struggle with interoperability, speed, and security. These older platforms often cannot keep up with large media files or modern file sharing protocols, making integration with new solutions essential for productivity and collaboration. Enter MoSMB, a next-generation server message block version 3, or SMB v3, server. This advanced protocol delivers faster speeds, stronger security, and broad compatibility across devices. With MoSMB, businesses can overcome legacy limitations and enable seamless file sharing. Start with a thorough assessment and compatibility testing of your current systems. Adopt a gradual migration approach, introducing SMB v3 solutions in phases. Customize and optimize configurations for your unique needs, and provide comprehensive training to ensure your team is ready for the transition. Ryusi Technology brings expertise and robust SMB v3 solutions, supporting you every step of the way. With MoSMB, you can confidently modernize your file sharing infrastructure, ensuring speed, security, and scalability for the future. For more information, reach out to sales@ryusi.com.